Well, today we're going to attempt to put some front springs in the scrambler. I hope this is going to work, this video. But we'll give it a try. So basically what we have is front trunnion suspensions and how to put these springs in without killing yourself. First off, you got to decipher what's the top and what's the bottom. That's easy enough. This is your top. The spring doesn't matter. The aftermarket spring is both same on both ends. The one with the bumper stop is the bottom. So you want to put the rubber on here probably first. You want to get that in the right spot. There's a little groove in it right here. And the spring goes in the right spot right there. The bottom, same thing. Okay. And then when you put your top plate on, you want to make sure these eyelets line up with the bottom ones. Alright. The spring compressor because it tips on the top. The ones I'm used to are stationary. But whatever. Light here if that helps, so you can see better in the video. Kind of blinds me though. Put it like that, maybe that'll just be enough to see better. Still gotta go up higher. Springs. Alright. Now, make sure everything's hooked up on the bottom so it doesn't come flying out on you in the bottom. There's a little hook. I don't know how your spring compressor is or what you have to compress the springs. That would be another ordeal. The best thing to have is something like this. It's the safest. But not everybody has one of these, so I don't know what you do then. Punt. You could buy a spring compressor that goes inside the spring. That wouldn't work either because you still got to get it out of the bottom. Well, here's what you could do. You buy it. No, that wouldn't work either. Okay. Well, that's something to have to figure out on your own, I guess. You could buy, you would need 2 sets of these. You need 2 sets of these because you could put one on the springs to compress the spring, but But the way I do it, I hook them on here. To me, it's safer. I'll show you how you do that. You go to your local hardware store and you buy some camping hooks. You cut them, make a bigger slot in there, and you hook them on here. And then you hook these on them. To me, that's the safest way to do it. But we'll see. You know, the spring automatically wants to start turning on its own because you're putting so much downward force on it. It wants to buckle out of there. Maybe I should do this differently. You probably don't want the eyelet right in the way of the hook. I think that would be better. Maybe. Good there. See the way that thing's starting to go that way? So what I usually do is hook this on here for us, in case it comes flying out, it don't kill you. You got a little safety mechanism here. I don't know, I hope you can see anything on that camera. Here, I can maybe go like this. Maybe that'll be better. Just compressed about at least 13 inches. A little more would be better. We got a ways to go yet, and it's already looking pretty dangerous. All right. time, you disconnect the strut rod bar and shock absorber, and you got the whole suspension hanging down as far as it'll go. Seems like it wants to go that way. A little bit. Seems like a little bit. Really, don't like that either. This one's not too bad, but this one's kind of jazzed up. It's a little different. Might take me a while, might be one of them long videos again. But I'm gonna take my time. Don't wanna get mess this up. Yep, don't wanna get killed or something, you know. Now you need a 1-inch wrench.